If you're seeing an MSN gateway error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can help get MSN.com loading properly again. This is a simple browser setting change that often solves display, loading, and connection issues without needing any complicated troubleshooting. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, open your browser. In the address bar, type chrome://settings and press enter. This will take you straight into your browser settings. Once the settings page opens, go to the search box and type acceleration. You're looking for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. When you find it, turn it off. This option can sometimes interfere with websites like MSN, especially if the browser is having trouble rendering certain pages correctly. After switching it off, you'll need to restart the browser for the change to take effect. Close the browser completely, then open it again. Once it relaunches, go back and open MSN.com again. In many cases, the gateway error should now be gone, and the site should load normally. If it still doesn't work right away, refresh the page once or twice and give it another moment to load. This is one of those fixes that sounds small, but it can make a big difference when a site is acting up because of browser rendering issues. So to quickly recap, go to browser settings, search for acceleration, turn off graphics acceleration, restart the browser, and then try MSN again. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.